Welcome aspiring Arduino fans. I'm Mohammad Hassan Rani. I'm thrilled to introduce you guys to my new course, One-Stop Master Course on Arduino with ChatGPT. So there are thousands of courses and resources available on the internet. Why this course? What makes this course unique is that unlike any traditional course where you need to invest a lot of money in various components, this course allows you to dive into the exciting world of Arduino without buying a single thing. You heard me right. How is it possible? We'll be using state-of-the-art simulation platforms to learn the programming and the circuit building aspects of Arduino. No need to worry about setting up any physical workspace. Everything will be happening in digital realm. So in this course, we have several chapters. In the initial parts of the course, we'll be establishing a strong foundation. We'll cover the basics of Arduino programming and circuit design and get you comfortable with the simulation environment. But that's just the beginning. Here is where it gets more interesting. We'll harness the power of ChatGPT to take our projects to the next level. Imagine creating an Arduino project from scratch with the support of an intelligent language model like ChatGPT. The possibilities are limitless. And to respect your time, we have designed this course in a manner where we'll be putting laser focus on the essentials. No unnecessary details. Just what you need to become proficient in Arduino and unleash your creativity. So if you're ready to embark on this journey without spending a single penny on the components, join me in the One-Stop Master Course on Arduino with ChatGPT. Let's make learning Arduino an immersive and cost-free experience. I can't wait to see what amazing projects we'll be creating together on this course. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now. There are many surprises for you guys inside the course. So I'll see you there. Tata.